So please share my Facebook, then comment to my Facebook live, comment there, and share this to people who wants to get this one, and I'm gonna send it through Lalamove for free. Okay? Cavite area, guys, and even Manila area. Okay, eto na po siya. Papamigay ko sa inyo, guys, no? How many pairs of shoes po siya? Eto. Ayan. White. Okay, guys, white. Medyo nag-crack lang siya ng konti kasi nga nababad siya, guys, hindi nagagamit. Red. Sorry, ha. Medyo nag-crack siya. Yellow. Brown, gray, green.